One thing I always like to carry in the boat, it's just one of those small little necessity things that I can't go without, especially with using a jig and a plastic, is having some sort of glue or super glue in the boat. And the reason for that, especially on a hair jig, you might have a small wired keeper on here which might last for a little while, but all I simply like to do with these hair jigs is have a little trailer behind it, you know, to slow the fall. But I like to use just a little bit of super glue, so that way I don't have headaches, you know, where I'm constantly readjusting. Just a little dab of super glue on that shank there, I can slide it up and I don't have to worry about it. I mean, I can fish sometimes a half a day or go through 10 20 fish sometimes and not have to worry about that. But a little super glue goes a long ways and makes you fish way more efficiently with less headaches.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.